Hey guys, I just got back from a hot dog cookout, Upshur County, and I was thinking about something on the way to and from there. Friday, someone pointed out to me that the water board had a press conference where they said Big Jim gave us $400,000 check. And it resulted from a call from Congressman McKinley, the governor of justice, uh, but neither of them wanted credit for this. When's the last time that you ever saw a politician give a local government $400,000 and not ask for credit? And I gather from that, Congressman McKinley called up Big Jim and said, "Hey, you're sitting on these hundreds of $1 millions of CARES Act money. You better cough some of it up because Clarksburg Water Board needs it." Okay, so then I was thinking, um, there's been talk that well, it's the city council saying it's the water board's responsibility to provide water for the city. And that's what we expect from them. That's what we'll accept, nothing less. And that they don't want to spend the $6 million they got on stuff that's just going to go in the ground that we would have had to do anyway. Now, the city charter delineates responsibility for water infrastructure to the water board, and sewer infrastructure to the sanitation board, which is not part of the water board, and then the street department of public works. And they're supposed to coordinate with each other. The charter calls from them to coordinate with each other when they do infrastructure upgrades. But I was just thinking, if the council really wants to draw this hard line and say, um, you need to provide us water, it's not our job to do that. What's to stop the water board from saying, you need to fix the street after we put the water main in? It's not our job to do that. Now think about this for a second, because the water board went in over the weekend and cut up 400 linear feet of pavement. They took not only the pavement up, they went down and took 1.5 feet of foundational bricks, and most of that distance went even deeper to get a trench down to where the water main was and pull all that out of there. They ripped the foundation of the road up, and they're just filling it in with dirt. What's to stop them from just putting the cheapest layer of asphalt over top of it and saying that's our responsibility? Good luck. And then this winter, when it all comes up and that road is unpassable, is a 3-foot mud hole coming down through there, the water board can just say, not our responsibility. One way or another, I think the city council is going to be paying out the ass for the water improvements. It behooves them to coordinate with the water board a little bit, but if they want to play hardball, it can go both ways. I'll holler at you later.